Quantum Controls was established in 2009 as a driver motors expert. We're now firmly established as the driver motor leading company in the UK. Our driver motor repair centre and head office is still based up in Footer in Northumberland, but we're here today in our new facility in Birtley. This new facility will allow us to take on more customers, allow us to supply more panels, and allow us to grow. And in this facility we can do everything in a one-stop shop, from application design to quotation. We then bring the order in, it's manufactured in this facility here, and then we do a full witness test. So the customers can come here and they can witness test their panel. Once it's tested and signed off, the panel is then shipped to the customer's location and our external engineers will install it and fully commission the system. It's a brand new facility right on the A1 and we're hoping during 2018 to create a further 20 jobs for the area, building control panels for you, our customers, throughout the country in the UK.